Thousands of migratory birds visit here every year during winters.
Welcome to Bhigwan, a hidden paradise for bird lovers. Today I am in Bhigwan and now we are planning to take a boat safari to watch the migratory birds.
I'm taking you along with me on a bird photography trip in Bhigwan. Bhigwan offers an excellent birdwatching experience. Situated on the backwaters of Ujjani Dam, the wetlands of Bhigwan becomes safer winter homes for thousands of migratory birds. As winter becomes harsh over the northern continents, a silent journey begins. In the frozen wetlands of Siberia, where temperatures fall below zero, lakes get frozen, food disappears beneath the sheets of ice. The question for survival begins. These Siberian migratory birds travel thousands of kilometers to come to the warmer wetland regions in India. When food freezes in their home countries, India becomes their survival zone during winters. The shallow waters of Bhigwan is rich in small fishes, insects, aquatic plants, algae. It's a feast for these exhausted travelers. Flamingos feed on algae, whereas bar-headed goose graze on grasses near the water bodies. Studies show that watching the birds can reduce anxiety. These migratory birds come in November, and by March, when the temperature starts rising, they start returning back to their homelands. So watch them before the skies turn empty. But the journey never truly ends. They will return back again in the next winters. Here are some of the shots that we captured during our trip. The silence of the water in this small town of Maharashtra, with the sounds of the birds and their flapping wings, and the beautiful golden sunset background, truly feels like a celebration of wings, water, and life. I enjoy coming to Bhigwan. It is a photographer's dream come true destination. After Mailghat, Bhigwan was my next wildlife destination. Hope you liked my video. As a gesture of support, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like and comment. See you soon in my next adventure.
Thanks for watching.